Hi everybody, it's Debbie. I'm here to do a video on another journal that I've done. I had started this back in, I think it was December, and just worked on it a little bit at a time when I could, when I had time. This kit is actually a couple of kits. This is, I'm using ARTYmaze, her kit Back to Nature, as well as Majestic Birds, because I thought they just went really well together. The colors, the themes. So I just love them. Absolutely love them. As normal, I made a chunky charm for my journal, and I have Made with Love and 2018, and then like I always do, and it seems I'm using a lot of the teal and oranges, but there's a butterfly, and because this is based on birds, there's a lot of bird charms on here. The nest, there's an owl, and then the book charm, birdhouse. So I just love it. I love adding charms to the books. So I'm using an old hardcover book, and I am using the general idea from a class that I purchased. Shoot, I can't, I'll put it up top. I can't remember now. And I didn't follow it. I didn't finish the class because things got busy and in the way, but this is what I did do. There's a lot of layering going on here. Just a lot of layering and a lot of decoupage. Just covered the whole book. I tore papers and distressed them and then just threw them all over. But I really like the way it turned out, and I'm definitely going to do it again. So there's only one signature. I should do this before I start so that I don't have to do this. So we're 5.5 by 8. Is the cover, and the closure is eyelets with seam binding, and it's so long that I did a double bow, but it is really chunky already. But there's so much seam binding that it has lots of room for expanding. So I did the decoupage on the inside of the cover as well. Not that you can see too much of it because I've covered it. So there's a bag here with a tag, and then there's a tuck spot with a tuck spot on it that has had beeswax done to it. And there's a couple of things in there, and then one of these alteration tags. Got that from J9 Scraps, I believe. The kit comes with tabs, so I use the tabs. And this is an old book page. I love making these. And I took some of the pages and made them smaller so that there are mini booklets in here. And this could be used as a bookmark even. Or this one, because it's bigger. And the comes with banner as well, so there's a few of those in there. Aren't they gorgeous? Just look at the birds, they're so pretty. And then this is a doily that has a glassine bag sewn on it with a tag there, and then this is a mini booklet that I just glued on so that there's journaling spot. And here's an Irene inspired altered paper clip. Love making these too, and I like putting them in all my journals. So this goes on the other side. And this here is some parchment paper, And I've just got a little bit of journaling in there. I did some stamping. And this has beeswax on it in the layering there. And there's a little tuck spot on that side. Oh, they're cute. Did some stamping. I bought this stamp. I love it. From AliExpress. Just love it. It's like sewing. Another tuck spot with a bag on it and lots of layering with beeswax. And another journaling spot. Another shrunken down page. And this is the back of a bag, and I glued another glassine bag on the back of it. So I put a tab on this shrunken down page so that it can be pulled in and out easy. And then that one there, and then this is just glued on. It's no tuck spot or anything. A little bit more stamping. Another one. I think this is a guest check. Yeah, a guest check. And a little tab on that side with some layering. Sewing as well. And then another Irene inspired bookmark. And in this envelope comes with the kit. It's pretty chunky. This is one of the reasons why the book's so chunky, is a mini little journal. I showed this, I think, a little bit of it when I was showing my beeswax. So there's nothing in there, so there's a spot for something to go. This has little mini pages in it. I also shrunk down the envelopes. And there's some layering, some lace. More layering here. With the little shrunken pages. And there's a pocket in there that has nothing on it at the moment. And then the back has a little glassine bag that also has nothing in it. So there's empty spots that can be filled up. But this can be taken out and carried in your purse. But yeah, it makes it kind of chunky, but I wanted to include it in the journal. And yeah, the journals I'm making, I'm going to have to start selling them, because I am never going to use them. Not too many. There's another big tag there. And then this is just a scrapbook, I think it was, and I tore pages out because they're already old. So there's an envelope in here with some journaling paper. Tag there. And this is the center. And I forgot to put anything. Okay, I will be putting some hearts or stars, something on this strings there that's sewn in with wax thread. And there's a guest check on that one. The other side of the mason jar. And more of these. So there's a little baggie with a lot of layering and beeswax on that. And then this side, it has the two pockets. So there's one pocket there and one pocket there. This one is mini page. Oh, I'm going to have to glue that. It's come loose. And then this is a garment tag with a tea bag and some fibers. Lots Lots of layering throughout and a lot of tags. Here's another paper clip with an envelope underneath and a tag on this side. And did a little bit of stamping, not too much. And here's another one of those pockets and tuck spots. And then the back page has a bag with a large tag, a smaller bag that's a tuck spot behind, and this is another beeswax layered tag. And then in this little bag, this is another tag. This has beeswax on it as well, and then there's a little bird cage charm there, handmade by me. So that's it. So Andrea, I really love this kit. Both of the kits, they're just gorgeous to work with. So yeah, like I said, it's really chunky. So thanks very much for watching, everybody. I hope you have a wonderful day, and we will talk to you soon. Bye.